So we're here at Cumberland University in Lebanon, Tennessee, where Fire Pit Art is located. And I wanted to show you this professional setup for electronic ignition. This activates a piece of artwork that we made for the university called the Heart of the Phoenix. So we're going to show you that in just a minute, but right now I want to show you how this system works. So this breaker box, you can see the breaker here, fire pit, it energizes the transformer. Now you saw the transformer earlier, that little box with the wires on it. So it's in here. So this energizes the transformer energizes this switch over here. And when I turn on this switch, it turns on the fire pit. Just that easy.